Be honest. How many times have you picked up your phone today, without even thinking about it? You unlock it, you scroll, you close it. 5 minutes later, you do it again. You aren't lazy. You are just chemically addicted to cheap dopamine. And it is destroying your ability to enjoy real life. Think of dopamine like food. Scrolling social media is like eating cotton candy. It gives you a massive spike of energy instantly, but 10 minutes later, you crash and feel empty. Real work, like reading, building a business, or exercising, is like a steak dinner. It takes effort to chew. It takes time to cook. But it keeps you full all day. Here is the science your brain doesn't want you to know. Your brain has a seesaw between pain and pleasure. When you flood it with too much cheap pleasure, video games, porn, scrolling, the seesaw tips too far. To restore balance, your brain slams down on the pain side. This is why you feel anxious and bored when you aren't on your phone. You have fried your receptors. You don't need a detox. You need to change your menu. Before you consume anything, ask yourself, is this cheap or expensive? Make yourself pay for the dopamine. Do 10 push-ups before you open Instagram. Read 5 pages before you watch Netflix. Stop snacking on cotton candy. Go cook a steak. Subscribe to SifuLabs. Master your brain.